grammar of JUU or JUU. You have two sounds, JUU or JUU. The grammar of JUU or JUU is mean currently, during, at some point, throughout, before the end of the something. So it has the many meaning in English. As you see here, we have currently, during, at some point, throughout, before the end of the something. So you have to remember the meaning. So how to use? In Japanese, they use now with the grammar of JUU. JUU you can write in kanji, as you see the first line, or you can just use in hiragana, as you see here for the second sentence. Second line JUU or the third line JUU. So it just has the same meaning and has the same kanji, but you can say the two sounds, right? JUU or JUU. So don't confuse when you see in hiragana or in kanji, it just has the same meaning. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of JUU or JUU, let's go to see some example together. The first example, 私は一晩中泣いていた。私は一晩中泣いていた。Which means I cry all night. I cry all night. 午前中が一番調子がいいです。午前中が一番調子がいいです。Which means during the morning is the best. During the morning is the best. So as you see here, we have the first sentence. We have hitobanchu, that means all night. So they count for 1 point to 1 point. So hitoban means one night or all night. So in one night, so you can say all night. And for the second sentence, they use gozenju. Gozenju, that means all in the morning, a.m. From, for example, from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. Nearly 12 p.m. Something like this. So you can say gozenju. The next, 英語は世界中で話されています。英語は世界中で話されています。Which means English is spoken throughout the world. English is spoken throughout the world. The next example, 私は一晩中両親の夢を見ていた。私は一晩中両親の夢を見ていた。Which means I dream of my parents all through the night. I dream of my parents all through the night. You see that for in the first sentence, they say 世界中, that means all around the world. So 中 is the kanji of 中 is mean all around something. And hitobanchu, that means from in one night. It has start from if one night is start from maybe 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. right? So you have the time. If hitobanchu, that means just start from maybe 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. So seikaiju is mean all around the world. So you have many things. So in Japanese, they use the grammar of JUU like this. So I hope you can remember what I try to explain in here. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in next time. ありがとうございました。